I'm adding 3/4. Now, I'm going to talk you through the process and then you're going to go. The denominator is different. So what we have to do is we have to do something to change the denominators so they are the same. Okay, I'll talk you through. Now, one of the things that I like, okay, I do like this, I think you'll see this is quite pretty, is this. Does this ring any bells?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually drawing, it's going to end up being a butterfly, okay? So, what I'm going to do is this, okay? To make the denominator the same on the bottom, I'm going to do some multiplying within my fractions, okay? So, let's do this first. What is 1 times 4? Everybody?
4.
Right, so let's just draw this little antennae. Okay, there he is, 4. What is 5 times 3? 5 times 3. Okay, we all should know that one. 15. Okay. Now, my poor little ladybird, my poor butterfly, I've done his wings. I'm going to do his body. So I'm going to do something between the 5 and the 4. I don't remember what I had to do so that these two numbers become the same. Eliza?
Do you have to find a multiple that?
We have to do something with the two numbers.
Do you have to?
You multiply them. So 5 times 4 is... Okay. Now, the next step. We draw the pretty butterfly. Now we're going to rewrite this fraction. So, each part now is going to be over 20. So I have 4 over 20 plus 15 over 20. So you see how the denominator has now gone from being different to being exactly the same. But in order for them to be the same, we had to change the numbers, the numerators on the top. Then what I need to do is add those two numbers together and it becomes what?
19 over 20.
It becomes 19 over 20. Now can I make that any smaller?
No, you can't.
Why can't I? What's special about 19? It has a special name. It's more than it's just an odd number. It's a prime number, which means it's only divisible by itself and by 1. Okay, right, we're going to have a go now. Okay, butterfly maths. On your boards, let's do this. Can you write this fraction here? So 2/5 plus 1/6. And then I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to work through that example. I'm drawing the wings, multiplying the top numerator by the bottom denominator on both sides, finding the product to put into the antenna, and multiplying the body. Right, off you go. Now, Paddy, can you do the Paddy?
12.
Can you do the if I put some fractions here with the same denominator?
Yeah, because 1 is 5. That's 12 there. And 5 times.
Jonathan and Elijah, if you're finding that difficult, do this. Okay, go. Have you made 8/10 any smaller? Yeah, you can. You can do those and see if you make these.
17.
So guys, what's the answer?
17 cookies. How beautiful am I?
Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, what answers do I have? Just to get a quick idea around. I'm coming to you first. Ash, what did you get?
17 30ths.
17 30. Did anyone get anything different? Okay, what did you get? Okay, 9/10. We made that smaller together, maybe our first answer. We'll have a look. Okay, are you ready? Pause down. Yes, Sienna. It's exactly the same way we've done it, just it's presented in a different way. So, I'm going to draw my butterfly wings first. So, and then draw my little antennas. And you can do this today with your books. So, 2 multiplied by 6 is, thank you. 5 multiplied by 1 is, okay, and I think that may be, Jonathan, where we went wrong together. Because I think you may have done 5 multiplied by something else, because I think you had 15. Okay, right. Then we have to multiply our denominators to make them the same, because at the moment they're not. So if I multiply 5 by 6, everybody?
30.
Okay, I'm going to now rewrite my fraction. So I'm going to have 12 over 30 plus 5 over 30, which gives me what?
70.
And again, quick question, can we make that any smaller?
No.
Why not? Same people putting their hands in front of me and Emily. It's not because it's an odd number, it's because it's a prime number. Good go. Okay.